Mason Holgate is a professional footballer who plays as a centre-back for Premier League club Everton. Holgate joined the Barnsley youth system at the age of 9. He progressed through the club's academy and reserve team. Holgate then signed his first professional contract that would have kept him at Barnsley until 2016. He would then go on to play 22 games, scoring a goal and creating an assist. In August of 2015, Holgate signed a 5-year contract with Everton. He did not make his debut until August 2016, a year after he signed with Everton. He also went on loan in December of 2018 to West Bromwich Albion. However, under Carlo Ancelotti's management, Holgate has established himself as a regular starting centre-back at Everton. He has played over 110 games, scoring 2 goals and creating 4 assists. Holgate is of Jamaican descent through his grandparents and is eligible to represent Jamaica internationally.